Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create dependencies here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here with Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating dependencies in Smartsheet is essential for managing complex projects effectively, although it is easy in a straightforward process. Dependencies helps you to automatically adjust the schedule when tasks are delayed or completed ahead of time. Now, the first thing, once you are here on the homepage, I want you to go to the project sheet and locate the task you want to assign a duration. In my case, that's going to be this file. Now, obviously, we don't have the option to add a duration here, but instead, what I need you to do is to right click on any row or a cell that you wanted and click on the edit project settings. Now, this is very important because you see, you need to click on the dependencies enabled first, but there's going to be a small pop-up window that says duration and predecessors columns have been added to the sheet. You see that? Predecessors and duration. Let me undo that again. Okay, let me cancel everything. You see? All right, so let me do that. Right now there's no duration and predecessors. Okay, but when you click on the edit project settings again, and if you click on the dependencies enabled, you see predecessors and duration column has been added. Okay, I want you to click on it. Now on the dependencies, you have a lot of options below. You can add their predecessors or none if you don't want. You can also put in none if you don't want to put the duration and predecessors right here. Now on the working days, however, you can choose the working days. Is it gonna be Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays until Sunday? And you can also change the length of day hours. You can put in any holidays that you wanted. We have a separate video on how to add holidays here on the Smartsheet. Once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on yes and click on OK if you're happy with that. And there you go. You already have added your dependencies. And thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.